Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss a simple example on Stream API in Java 8. Using streams, you can process the data in a declarative approach. These streams are used to process the data for objects inside a collection. Let me discuss a simple example on how to process the even numbers, how to filter the even numbers in a group of numbers. I am taking the arrays dot as list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press Alt, enter, introduce local variable numbers. This is as simple as such. By using the reference variable numbers dot stream dot filter that internally takes the predicate, that means it returns the boolean value. For that, I am taking the lambda expression. Internally the parameter is integer value, integer, lambda expression integer, percentage of 2 double equal to 0. That means if the number is even, I am just collecting to the list. Collect collectors dot to list. Press Alt Control O to unorganize the unused imports, to remove the unused imports. Press Alt Enter to introduce the local variable. Filtered numbers, filtered even numbers, sort filtered even numbers. Let me see the output. Press Ctrl Shift F10. Here we go. These are the even numbers that has been filtered from the array list. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss a simple example on Stream API. Here, in this example, we will use an intermediate operation that returns a new stream called map function. See here, I am taking the arrays dot as list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press Alt Enter. Introduce the local variable and name it as numbers. By using the numbers reference variable stream dot map, internally this map operation will take a function which is called for each value in the input stream and produces one result value which is sent to the output stream. For example, see here, I am taking the integer. That means it does not filter the data. It will produce by using the input data, it will produce a new output stream of data in the map operation. Integer into integer dot collectors dot to list. Press Alt Enter, introduce local variable map function, mapping numbers sort mapping numbers. Press Ctrl Shift F10. See here, what is the output? As we have discussed, this map operation takes a function which is called for each value in the input stream. This is the input data we have given and produces one result value which is sent to the output stream. Here in the output, it has been produced and another resulted value which is sent to the output stream. That means here it has multiplied each value and produces that in the output stream. 1, 4, 9, 16, 36. For example, see here, I am making these integers as a strings. And I am changing this as string that produces a list of strings. I will change this into the integer format and I will print them. Integer method reference value of Ctrl Shift F10. See here, it has changed that into string format to integer format. It has been changed by using the intermediate map operation. Here we are using the integer method reference value of. That means it will change it is a static method. It changes the given input strings into the integer format, integer values. That's all in this video. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss a simple example by using the filter operation by using strings. Here I am taking the int id, string name, string address, and also I am taking the alt insert constructor. Okay, that will generate the parameterized constructor, and press alt insert. That will generate the getters and setters. And also press alt insert and generate the toString. That will generate the toString. And now create another class which is a demo class. In the demo class, what I am doing is arrays dot as list, create the employee object and pass the values Anish, comma, Hyderabad. New employee, pass the ID 2, comma, Mahi from Pune, comma, new employee, pass the ID John, Mumbai. New employee, pass the name Mark, Delhi. New employee, pass the ID Margaret. Jaipur. Press Alt Enter, introduce local variable employee. And now by using the reference variable employees dot stream dot filter, what I'm doing is each employee, for each employee dot name, that means if the name is greater than 3, name dot length is greater than 3, then collect collectors dot to list. Press Alt Enter and introduce local variable. Collect dot for system dot out method reference println. Control Shift F10. See here, if the length is greater than 3, if the name of the name's length is greater than 3, then print all the names are greater than 3. That's why all the names has been printed. Then if the name is less than 3, let me see. Nothing prints. Yeah, I'm changing. Control Shift F10. One employee has been printed because the name is less than 3. And if the name is greater than 2, the name is greater than 4. Control Shift F10. See here, 2 names are printed. In this way, we can use the filter method. This is one of the best example. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between stream and parallel stream with a simple example. Let me take the arrays dot as list. In that, simply I will take a number, some sequential number, sequence form of numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I have taken 10 numbers and press Alt Enter, introduce local variable, list of numbers, and by using the list of numbers dot, first of all I will take the stream dot, and we will observe the output between the stream and parallel stream. Stream dot for each system dot out method reference print. Press Ctrl Shift F10. Let us observe the output. See here, the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The order that we have entered there. That is the output for using the stream. Let me remove the stream. Not parallel stream. And observe the output now. Control Shift. See here, the output is not in a correct format, because the first point, if we want to discuss the key difference, is the performance is higher in parallel stream than in sequential stream, and also the order was not being followed in the parallel stream, because simultaneously the operations are carried simultaneously the operations are carried by multiple threads in dual core in parallel stream. Each iteration waits for currently running one to finish in normal sequential stream. But in parallel stream, it was not like that. There is a main difference between these two. The main thing is the performance was higher in parallel stream than in sequential stream. That's all with the simple example. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to do customized sorting order using comparator with and without streams. Implements comparator that will take a string. We will sort some group of strings in a descending order format. Add an implemented methods. Remove the to-dos. Simply do o2 dot compare to a forward. That's all. It will print in a descending order sequence from Z to A sequence. The first character of each word will print in a Z to A sequence. Control shift format, control save. Main method. I am taking the tree set string tree set equal to new tree set. Control shift O to organize the imports. Add some strings. Tree set dot add off. Andrew. Tree set dot add off. Barnes. Tree set dot add off. Canva. Tree set dot add off. David. Tree set dot add off. Ethan. Just print those. Control shift format, control save. Before running and printing the output, just copy this class name and create an instance in the test class parameter. Just simply like this. Control shift format. It will print in a descending order from Z to A sequence. Run as Java application. See here, A, B, C, D, E, E, D, C, B. Now we will discuss this by using streams concept. I am removing this result. Tree set dot stream dot sorted. Internally this will take a comparator. What I'm doing is simply s1 comma s2 dot compare to of s1 dot collectors dot to list. That's all. Control Shift format. Click here and press Ctrl 1. Assign statement to new local variable. Sys out. Collect. Control Shift format. Control save. Just remove this. Before we did the sorting in manual order by creating the my comparator instance here in the tree set parameters. Now we will do it by using the streams concept. Control C. It should be in a descending order format, Z to A sequence. See here, the output is in a descending order from Z to A. E, D, C, the first character of each word is in a Z to A sequence from E, D, C, B, A. Like that. If we change this to S1 and S2, see here, and run as Java application, it will be in a ascending order format from A to Z sequence. That's all in this video. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about max and min methods in streams concept. Max, min. How we can use it. List of integer list equal to new array list. New array list. Control Shift O to organize the imports. Add some integers. List dot add of 2. List dot add of 3. List dot add of 4. List dot add of 5. List dot add of 6. I'm adding some integers, and after that what we will do is simply list dot stream dot. If you want to find a maximum number, internally this will take a comparator. That means I1 comma I2 I1 dot comparator of I2. That means we are comparing each integer with another integer to get the maximum value. Dot simply get. That means we have to use the get method. Otherwise, it will return a optional integer. Control 1, assign statement to new local variable. Sys out integer. Control Shift O, Control F11. See here, the maximum number is 6. If you want to find the minimum number, simply we can use minimum number. The logic is same. Run as Java application. The minimum number is 2. In this way, we can use a min and max in streams concept by applying it to collections. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about a reduce method in Java 8 with a simple example. See here, I'm just taking the list of integer list equal to new array list, Control Shift O to organize the imports and add some integers, add off to list dot add off 3, list dot add off 4, list dot add off 5, list dot add off 6. That's all. I'm adding those 5 numbers, and now what I'm doing is list dot string dot reduce. Internally, this reduce method will take an identity and the binary operator. The identity is the default or initial value that we are giving as an input, and the binary operator is the functional interface that takes two values and produces a new output value. Initial value I'm giving as 0. See here, a comma b. I'm giving two values, lambda expression symbol and a plus b. I'm adding those two values, and internally it will take the two values and add those two values, and it will produce as an output new value. That's all. Press Ctrl 1. Assign statement to a new local variable. Sysout. Reduce. Control Shift format. Control save. Let me run. Run as Java application. See here, the answer is 20. In this way, we can use the reduce method. As simple as easy. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about a map operation and flat map operation in Java 8 with a simple example. Main. See here, what I'm doing is arrays dot add list John, Mark, Andrew, Lucas. I have taken an array list. Press Ctrl 1, assign statement to new local variable, and by using this reference variable as list dot stream map, and by taking the each string, what I'm doing is s dot length. I'm finding the length of each string dot collect collectors dot to list. Press Ctrl 1 here, assign statement to new local variable, sysout collect. Control Shift format and Control save. Right click, run as Java application. See here, the first string John's length is 4, Mark length is 4, and Andrew Lucas length is 12. Like that. This map operation, it returns a single value for a single input, and also it uses one-to-one mapping. It uses one-to-one mapping, and it works on the transformation. It works on the transformation, and it produces a single stream of value. We can also do like this. system dot out print line, control shift format, control save, right click, run as Java application. See here, we can also print like this by using the method reference. And the next one is flat map with a simple example. Arrays dot as list, I am taking 1, 2. Arrays dot as list, I am taking 3, 4. Arrays dot as list, I am taking 5, 6. Press Ctrl 1, assign statement to new local variable. I am taking this as list 1. Press Ctrl 1, assign statement to new local variable. I am taking this as list 2. Press Ctrl 1, assign statement to new local variable. I am taking this as list 3. And also I will take another array list by using the arrays dot as list. I am taking another list. What I am doing is I will simply pass this corresponding 3 lists here as list 1, comma, as list 2, comma, as list 3. As list 3. Press Ctrl 1, assign statement to new local variable, new as list. By using this as list dot stream, I am streaming the input dot flat map. I'm using the flat map. See here, this flat map, what it will do is it produces a stream of values. It produces a stream of stream values. It produces a stream of stream values. That means inside the stream we will write another stream and we will try to pipeline this stream in internal stream, and we will get a combined group of values. See here, flat map. Internally this flat map is taking, see here what it is taking. It is taking function. This function returns the new stream. This function returns the new stream, and this corresponding R letter, this R letter element, it is the element type of new stream. And here this stream extends stream. Stream is an interface. Stream is an interface. Stream is an interface. And see here, stream is an interface, and this mapper is a stateless function. It is a stateless function that is applied to each element. That I am taking now flat map by using the list. What I am doing is internally I am taking another string to pipeline the values. That means to flatten the each 3 array lists into a combined group of numbers into a single unit. For that I am taking internal string dot collectors dot toList. That's all. toList dot for each system dot out method reference println, control shift format, control save. See here how will be the output. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means here we have 3 array lists, and this flat map has combined and flattened the each 3 array lists into a single list, into a single group of lists, and flattened it has flattened the each three array lists into a single list. That's all in this video. That is the difference between map and the flat. Hello everyone, we will discuss a simple example by using the map to int operation. See here, arrays dot as list. I am taking numbers as string, comma 2, comma 3. I am taking this as a strings. Assign statement to new local variable. As list dot I am streaming dot map to int. Initially this map to int will take an integer dot parseInt of each string into the integer. See here, I'm just writing dot filter. If it is even, just print it. Convert it to number, and if it is even, just print it. That's what I'm doing. Percentage of 2 double equal to 0. Control shift format. Double equal to 0. Assign statement in new local variable. Sysouts format filter. It is written. What I will do is dot for each system dot out method reference println. That's it. Control delete, control shift format, control save, control shift to organize the inputs. Right click, run as Java application. See here, the even number here is 2. By using the map to int function, it has converted the string to integers, and it has filtered the even numbers, and it has printed. That's all.